6 o'clock in the morning. We both woke up earlier, like me half an hour, and she woke up. She actually didn't sleep a lot because of problems of sounds and everything. So she came to my room after I showered. I was still naked, but whatever. After showering, during the shower, I noticed the small text that are on these things that I showed you yesterday evening, and these small texts are nonsense, but at the same time amazing, because they just talk about nothing and everything. So I'm going to read this because just they are amazing. So the everyday shampoo, aka the follicle oracle, he says some also call him the god of glossiness and the high priest of highlights, but address him how you will. An ancient Brazilian tribe simply referred to him as El Lustro. It's a him, apparently. With each tube of this shampoo, FO, follicle oracle, I suppose, as we know it, welcomes you to his shrine, whatever it means. His amazing shrine of shine. This just doesn't make sense, but whatever. The body lotion says, "Not another day, not another rough day, please." And then it says, "Things, Alice, can always run as smoothly as you would like, but no matter how rough your day, week, month, year, lifetime, afterlife turns out to be, your body can always be ultra smooth, thanks to this lightly fragranced lotion. Sorry, but an asteroid just gone and hit your car. Thanks." Also, the energizing body wash that I just finished because it was all in the cup, says, "Are you looking to get picked up?" And then it says, "Forget bars, clubs and street corners, hookers and hustlers aside. There is only one place to get picked up, a communal shower. This is really creepy. Or your own bathroom. This is even more creepy. By the way, you really are looking quite gorgeous today. Our number is something. I don't want to read all the numbers. Why don't you call us sometimes? What would you call a shampoo factory or something? I don't know, but they put their number there. There is the whole number. I'm going to read it anyway. So it's plus 44 207 729 2162. However, how would you call it? I don't know. Why would you call the shampoo factory? But anyways, so we woke up. Now my phone didn't charge, and we're filming with my phone, and hopefully it will charge a bit until we have to go out, and we are going to have breakfast in 2 hours. So I don't know what we are going to do for the rest of the hour. Probably we might be vlogging